Guys, Tech the YT here. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new LG K51. It has been opened before, but it was not used. It's an open box phone. Basically, I got this a while ago for $80-something on Mercari, and it took like an entire 5 days after the estimated shipping date to arrive, so I'm really excited for this. But yeah, let me just get this open. Okay, here it is. Comes with the box and everything. Here's the phone box. Right there. Okay, let's see if we can get it open. There we go. So this phone has like 32 gigabytes of storage and 2 gigabytes of RAM. Here, wait, let me get it out again. Here we go. I guess there's some more specs here. 4,000 milliamp hour battery, micro SD card support, 13 megapixel front camera. Oh yeah, it has 3 cameras on the back. But yeah, I basically got it because it looks like an LG V60. I've heard that the CPU or processor isn't that good, and also it's a really giant phone. But here, let me get the case out because I want to immediately put it in that thing. Let me just get this off. Actually, I guess I could show you removing the IMEI sticker, but this is what basically it looks like on the back. But I'm going to remove this IMEI sticker and I'm going to put it on the box because I want to just see the full phone. So I'm not going to be getting rid of the IMEI sticker, I just don't want it on there. So yeah, we just clean this up and I'll put it in the case. Here we go. We have the phone. It also comes with charger and everything. I'm just going to leave that in there and like some more packets. But yeah, this is basically the whole thing that I've been waiting for. This thing is really sick. I guess we could see if it's just still charged. It's been in the post office for a while. It is. Comes with the screen protector pre-installed, but it has an annoying little tab at the top. I'm going to buy my own one, but for now I'm going to leave this on since it doesn't have any text or anything on it. But yeah, that's basically the entire video. I will be making a review video or like a design overlook video on this thing. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.